I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's and
I'm good. Yeah. Going to your bitch, I'm cool. Going to your block, I'm cool. Going to your block, I'm cool. Going to your bitch, I'm cool. The block, I'm cool. The block, I'm cool. The bitch, I'm cool. The block, I'm cool. Going to your bitch, I'm cool. Going to your block, I'm cool. Going to your bitch, I'm cool. The block, I'm cool. The block, I'm cool. Going to your bitch, I'm cool. Going to your block, I'm cool. Going to your bitch, I'm cool. The block, I'm cool. Catch me in the over there, gotta pass the bounce, I'm cool. Catch you outside doing dumb shit, all that I really can do. I really don't mind, I really don't lie. Don't mind on the low on the hatchback. No money, look coke on the ass crack. Don't mind, but you know I gotta have that. Don't mind, cause the flow so half-assed. Bad nap like the same man. Ay, wake up in the morning like that, man. How when you see me go round, 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 when you see me go pop. Go and tell your bitch I'm good. Go and tell your blood I'm good. Go and tell your blood I'm good. Go and tell your bitch I'm good. The good I'm good. The blood I'm good. Go and tell your bitch I'm good. Go and tell your good I'm good. Go and tell your bitch I'm good. The good I'm good. The blood I'm good. Go and tell your bitch I'm good. Go and tell your bitch I'm cool. Go and tell your bitch I'm cool.
Hi guys. So I did just let you enjoy the video because due to some technical issues, I was having trouble with recording my voiceover. But I do want to come on here and just say thank you guys so much for tuning in. My final thoughts about the project, about the um Jamaican Black Castor Oil line was I love this entire line. I've used this line more than once. This is like my fourth go around with this line. But the winning product out of this line would have to be the treatment mask because that treatment mask is on a scale of 1 to 10 is a 20. That treatment mask always brings back moisture into my hair, and it also strengthening it. So when like you're straightening your hair, or if you're going to do like anything pertaining to heat, I will always say do a deep conditioner or a deep treatment mask. This will be one of my favorite top five hair masks to use, regardless if I'm straightening, flexing rod, wash and go, anything that I'm doing pertaining to my hair. If I have to deep conditioner, I will always reach for this. I went through this deep conditioner more than 3 times. So this is like my third bottle. But I do want to thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also share. And also down below, comment what is your favorite product out of this line. And let me know what other Shea Moisture lines you guys want me to review. Until then, you guys make sure you subscribe. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at Just Be Real 34 on Instagram, Just Be Real 345 on Snapchat, and Just Be Real on Twitter. Until then.